3, 2, 1, start. President Asif Ali Zardari has given assent to a controversial bill passed by the both houses of parliament to regulate public gatherings in Islamabad, making it a law within less than a week after it first landed in the Senate, aimed to empower the district magistrate to regulate and ban public gatherings in Islamabad. The Peaceful Assembly and Public Order Bill 2024 was tabled in the upper house on September 2, approved by the Standing Committee concerned on September 3, and passed by the Senate on September 5. After suspension of rules in a move seen by the opposition, the bill was then rushed through the National Assembly on September 6 amidst the opposition's outcry and given assent by the President within hours. New para. Under the Constitution, the President less than 10 days to sign a bill passed by the Parliament or refer it back to the Parliament for reconsideration. The law prescribes a punishment of up to 3 years or oblique and an unspecified fine to the members of an unlawful assembly. Whoever having been convicted by a court in Pakistan of an offence punishable under this act with imprisonment for a term of 3 years or more shall for every subsequent offence be liable to imprisonment for a term that may extend to 10 years. It reads The law requires event coordinator of an assembly to apply in writing to the district magistrate at least 7 days before the intended date of the event. New para. Upon receipt of application, the district magistrate, before granting permission, shall examine the prevailing law and order situation and obtain security clearance reports from law enforcement agencies. The law provides It also empowers the government to designate a specific area of the Islamabad Capital Territory as a red zone or high security zone, thereby prohibiting all types of assemblies in that area. It defines an assembly as any public or political gathering, rally, sit-in or procession of more than 15 persons in or on any public road or any other public place or premises, wholly or partly upon to the air. The end.